guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Odette. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. So quickly, I just want to mention that I have another giveaway for you. Okay, this is going to be my last giveaway for 2019. I have just done a giveaway recently. Karen Ann MUA won that giveaway. I'm going to leave her link below for you guys to go follow her. Super sweet human being. Now, there's a twist to this giveaway. I have already selected the person whom I'm going to be giving this giveaway to. It's all in Odette's magazine. The magazine link is going to be in the description box below for you guys, so go check it out. When you find your name there, please contact me and I'm going to be sending this wonderful giveaway to you. That's all you need to do, and that's it. So this is really easy, sweet, and quick video for you guys today. This wonderful giveaway will be going to one of my lovely subscribers, okay? And soon as you see your name in the magazine, which is Odette's magazine, please email me, please contact me, leave me a message below in this video and let me know that you have seen your name in Odette's magazine and you have just won a giveaway, okay? My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.